YouTube, what it do? I am Ace Torn. So look, you're a person right now that's dealing with anxiety, gym anxiety. You can't step foot in the gym because you lose your shit. You tense up and you gotta go. So look, if you're a person right now dealing with gym anxiety, this video is for you. So stay tuned. Let's get it. Number one, start with home workouts to build your confidence up. Start working out at home by yourself. So when it's time to step inside the gym, you have enough confidence built up to the point where you'll feel like you fit in. You don't feel no pressure. Do home workouts for 1 to 2 months so you can get comfortable. And then when you get around people, you get around other people that's working out. Guess what? You'll feel comfortable. You'll feel like you fit right in. And you feel like you up to speed, not doing exactly what they are doing, but you feel like you have some type of rhythm of working out, and you won't feel like you stand out to the point where you want to leave the gym. Number two, follow a workout plan so you won't be lost, so you won't be all over the damn place. Because one thing about working out, if you don't know what you're doing, you might, 9 out of 10, you probably just quit doing it, or you just won't finish the set because you feel like you ain't doing it right, or you just don't have no structure. You don't have no structured workout plan. If you're dealing with this particular type of problem, you can download my $60 free ebook right here. You ain't even got to go to the gym on this one, all right? And it's gonna show you, gonna give you different type of basic workouts for beginners to help you lose belly fat and also help you build muscle at the same time. So go download that right now, go download it. It's gonna be in my bio, so check it out. Number three, this one is a big one. This is why a lot of people don't want to go to the gym. This is why I don't want to go to the gym sometimes. That shit is frustrating, and it will piss you off. If you're a person that's serious about working out and you take working out serious, that is the worst time to go to the gym during peak hours. I'm just being real with you. It's too many people in the way. It's too many people in the way. They're doing too much. They're doing everything but working out, all right? So look, these are the best times to go to the gym. Number one, between 5 a.m. and 6:30 a.m. The people who are at the gym at that time, they standing on business. They got shit to do. They got to get to work. They got meetings to get to. They got calls. They got comfort calls. They got things going on. They have a busy schedule. If you're at the gym between 5 a.m. and 6:30 a.m., you got a lot going on. So you ain't got time to be sitting around talking and playing around and scratching your ass and shit. You ain't got time for all that. You got to get in there and get to it. Get your workout in. Do what you got to do, and you gone. You ain't got time to be playing around. That's the best time to go. But so if you do go to the gym, say for example, you got gym anxiety, you go to the gym early in the morning at that time, you ain't got to worry about people watching you. You ain't got to worry about people paying attention to you because they in their own world. They only got so much time in the gym to handle their business, and they got to go. And see, that's the best part about it. And that's what I found out. That's why it's the best time for me to go to the gym. It's not a lot of people at the gym at that time. The second best time is between 8:30 a.m. and 3:30 p.m. That's the best time. The reason being because everybody is at work. Ain't nobody in the gym. And you basically in there by yourself. You're in that bit by yourself. You doing what you want to do. Everything is open. You don't got too many people in there, doing too much. If you do see people in the gym at that time, it's a few. Maybe, I say no more than 15, probably no more than 10 to 15 people. If that, like, it's very slim to none, it's gonna be people in the gym at that time, depending on what gym you go to. And you already know, after 4 o'clock p.m. and between 7 p.m., that shit is off limits. You do not wanna go to the gym, especially if you got gym anxiety. That's the worst time to go. Don't step foot in the gym at that time. So I ain't gonna get into that. We already been through that. All right. The third best time to go to the gym is between 7:30 p.m. and 10 p.m. That's when everybody is at home, or they winding down, leaving the gym. 9 times out of 10, it's open again. It's wide open. You ain't got too many people in there. You got a lot of people talking. You got a lot of people just sitting around. Usually they gone at that time. They winding down. So if you come in between that time, you got the gym all to yourself. And the fourth best time to go to the gym, which may not be an option for you, but overnight. I mean, if you got a gym membership that's open overnight, that's a good time too. But whatever suits you, if you're a person that works all day and when you get off late, you get off at 12, 1 o'clock, that may be a perfect time for you. Overnight may be the perfect time for you. Now it's time to hit the gym. All right, so you did 1 or 2 months at home. You did your home workouts, and now you're ready. All right, so now we're in the gym. Now pay attention to this. They may be watching you, they may be looking at you, but they are not paying no attention to your ass. They are not stunning you. I'm telling you right now, I know in your head, you know, you may have anxiety, because I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna be real. At one point in time, I did have gym anxiety. So that's why I can sit up here and talk about this. I did have gym anxiety. This was years ago. I think this was in like college. I did, because that bitch was packed. I'm talking about maybe, man, that shit was super packed, like 50, 60 people in the gym at the same damn time. Like, it was crazy. So if it's like that, I can understand, like, this shit is too much going on. But I want to just let you know, this is what I had to realize. People are not really paying attention to you. They may be looking at you, but they're not paying attention to you. They're really not, because they're in their own world. They working out, they doing their thing. You know, they ain't really goddamn just focusing on you. But it may look like it. It looks like it, but they're not. You know what I'm saying? So get out your head about people just staring at you and watching you and, you know, just trying to see what you got going on, or just focusing on what you're doing. They ain't standing that shit, man. They looking, but they ain't paying attention to you, bro. They really in their own world, and they doing, you know, they doing their thing. Number 5, use headphones, man, to help you focus and zone out. When you do this, you feel like you're in a room by yourself. You ain't really paying attention to nobody. And really, you don't give a damn who looking at you. Because at that point, you turned up. You know what I'm saying? That music is building your confidence up. You zoning out, you focusing on what you finna do, you focusing on what you're trying to achieve, the goals you're trying to meet. Like, you locked in. You working out, you locked in. So when you got them headphones on, you got music playing, it can help you out a lot. That was 5 ways to help you overcome gym anxiety. And if you need help losing belly fat, check out this video right here. It's gonna show you, I can break it down a little bit more to you to help you lose belly fat. Let's get it.